Joanna with Elegant Creations, and I am here to do my unboxing for November for Decorate Your Life. And this time what we had to do, Sandy asked us to pick three collections, paper collections from her website, and anything with the winter theme. And so we were able to go in and pick which three that we wanted to work with. And so I picked three that I really liked. And so I'm going to do my unboxing for those three. And here is my QR code. Sandy has some beautiful, beautiful Christmas winter themed paper packs. So here is my coupon code at doing a 15. You can do that at 15% off at checkout. And check out Sandy's website and Etsy shop. She also has a Facebook page. Excuse me. And she also has a newsletter that you can sign up for, so you can get all the sale items that she has. She does do sales a lot. So, and also the coupon is good with sale items as well. So that's good to know. So I wanted to show you what I picked. And so all of the designers, I will leave a link in the description box below. And they all picked probably something different. We all got to pick three paper packs. So mine, I picked Once Upon a Christmas. And I picked Ice Blue Winter. And I picked a Gingerbread Christmas. So I love these. I like gingerbreads. And so I thought I'm going to pick these so I can work with. So we will be doing these projects in November. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what this one is. This is so pretty. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start. So this is Once Upon a Christmas, and it's got a lot of beautiful pastel color paper. And there's 12 designs and 24 total sheets. And this one is 65-pound cardstock. And it's 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So pretty. My grandson's in his playpen, so I can do my video. So he's kind of yelling, talking away. And so these are these little storefronts or little houses. These are so cute. I want to do little tree boxes with these. And it's got the little girls. It's got some little presents and a little wagon or little, what is it called? Snowman carriage. And some trees. It's so pretty. The pink bows, pink with blue. This is so cute. And the brick. So I'm going to come up with something with that. So you get 2 of each. Okay. Then you got the little girl with the tree and Santa, the snowman, and the little presents. These cute. It's so pretty. Hope you can see that. And she has 4 different designs that you can cut out. So this would be a perfect little tree box. And these are little frames you can cut out, fussy cuts. These cute. And the little girl is so cute. Little store. And then this beautiful pink roses. Oh, so pretty. And it's got the poinsettias here. So pretty. And then the clock with little snowflakes coming down. The flowers. Very, very shabby chic. I love that. And this is a little carriage with roses in it. It's got like little sparkles here. Like little lights. Oh, so cute. Figure out how I'm going to use that. And then this is some real pretty paper that you can see the design. It kind of fades and then it comes out here at the bottom. So cute. Oh, and then this is a little window with the Christmas tree and the snowman, the little girl. So cute. This could be a really nice frame or something for a plaque. And there's a little girl here. A little tree. So cute. I love all these little Christmas balls. Ornaments. And then this one is a little like a storefront. It's got the carriage again and the truck. The little girl. It's like a little store. So adorable. Sandy, these papers are so pretty. I liked this one right away when I saw it. So then there's some more little houses. The little girl and the nutcracker or soldier. The little snowman. And the clock behind. That's so cute. I'm going to make some treat boxes out of that. So cute. And then here's a clock with the roses in the background. Flowers. Two. And then the clock again with the pretty Christmas tree. That is so cute. With the blues. And the gold. A little bit of off-white. So pretty. And then here is a beautiful little chiffon tree, looks like, with the snowman. Pink snowman. Oh, that's so cute. I like that with the pink snowflakes coming down. That is so cute. And then that pretty paper in the sides. Love, love, love that. So I'm going to have fun with that. So this one is Once Upon a Christmas. So you will find this in her web store and in her Etsy shop. You can check those out. And the next is the gingerbread, a gingerbread Christmas. And also again, 8 1/4 by 8 1/4, 65-pound cardstock, 14 sheets, and it's single-sided. I love gingerbread. I like when she does like this because you can cut these out and use them. These are perfect to use. This one's so cute. I can't wait to start with this one. And this one has a lot of the greens and the pink. So it has a lot of fussy cuts, or you can use it as paper. I want to do some little ornaments, do a little tree, because I have where my grandson stays with me, and we sleep in this room when he's here. And last year I put a tree and used the lights for his night light. And so I want to do the gingerbreads this year. These are so cute. Look like little cookies. The little cupcakes and the gingerbread. Probably do some ornaments or some tags would be pretty too. Here's some gingerbread houses. You get 2 sheets of each. Oh, this is so cute. I love these with the little cookies in the sky. Oh, and it has the little house and the little snowman. So cute. The little gingerbread with the Santa hats and the little girl. And the little houses. So these could be fussy cut also. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Make some little ornaments. And some more houses, gingerbread houses, little storefronts. Looks like a bakery. Looks like a bakery there. So cute. Little tree in the background, the little gold snowflakes with the lace. These are beautiful, beautiful papers. You can do so much with them. Because you can cut these here and then make little houses. I think that's what I'm going to do. My treat box houses. And then here's the other sheet. And then she also has another sheet with the fussy cuts. Or you can use it. And it's got the little presents with the little Christmas ornaments. And the poinsettia. It's like so pretty. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, then she's got this gingerbread house. The little gingerbread man. And the tree. That's so cute. And then up here, she's got the little presents and the flowers. Okay. And then there's 4 little cutouts. So the little gingerbread and the cupcake and the mittens, and these are so cute. This is just a smaller version. And then the little girl and the snowman. That's a cute snowman. I really like that. And that's it for this one. And this one is called, oops, A Gingerbread Christmas. Okay. Okay. This one is called Ice Blue Winter. And this one is 65-pound cardstock and 7 designs and 14 sheets. She's got so many beautiful papers, it was hard to pick. So here we have this one. Okay. So it's more country looking, I think. I wanted something different outside of my norm. And so I thought this was really pretty with the greenery and the berries and the bells. It's just real pretty. Lots of greens and blues. And this one has the lantern up here and then kind of like different colors marbled in with the little leaves on the ends. And these little berries with little flowers. Not sure what those are. They almost look like peaches. This is so cute. I want to make some tags and just different things. So she's got 4 different cutouts here that you can use for cards. You can use for gift cards. You can use for tags. It's got little letters, candle, key, clock, and just some little greenery hanging down with the pine cones. This would be some cute cards. And then this one with the pine cones and the leaves. So, so cute. Very country looking. And then here's some little fussy cuts that you can put on the cards if you make cards or tags. Little cup with the letters and the pine cones. The little clock. I like that clock. I like the old-fashioned looking clocks. And the stocking. Cute. And then she has some round cutouts with the gold rim around it. Little houses. And then the little cup with the bread. And some lanterns, letters. These are really cute. So I want to cut these out and use them as ornaments or use them as some type of, put on my cards. Get 2, and then this one's so pretty with the couch and the fireplace. It looks so cozy. Very cabiny look. I like that. And there's 2 of those, and that's it for that one. And this one is called Ice Blue. So I will be working in November on all these projects. So thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to go into Sandy's website and her Etsy shop and check out all these beautiful papers that she has. She has a lot of Christmas and wintry theme papers, and so a lot to choose from. She always has sale items, and you can use the 50% coupon code. And you can put it during a 15 or use any of my design team members' coupons and at checkout. And thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next week with my new projects for November. Thank you. Bye-bye.